Hello, children. Today we are going to start a new chapter Washing Clothes with My Mom of your English textbook. What is the chapter name? Washing Clothes with My Mom. First of all, I would like to ask that being at home during this lockdown, what are you doing to help to your mother? Are you doing something? If you are doing, then it's good. I think the girls might be helping, but the boys are not interested. But you should always help to your parents. In this story, you will learn how the boy and how the son used to help his mother. He wakes up early in the morning and doing the household works, and he helps his mother. This story is told by the boy himself. He is telling about his childhood when he was 7 years old. There were 14 members in the family and there was only one bathroom. So giving time to each one was very difficult. So what the boy did, he used to wake up early in the morning before his siblings. He used to go to washroom and at the bath before everyone used to get up. For this thing, his mother gave him a old wind-up clock. So he could wake up early in the morning. And you know what was the time to schedule to get up? It was 5:30. Next day, he woke up at 5:30. He woke up and he went downstairs for a bath. When he bathed, he heard that his dad was stirring in the bedroom. After the bath, he heard a buzzing in the basement. When he went to the basement, he saw there that his mother was singing and doing something. He asked his mother, "What are you doing? I heard buzzing." She replied she was washing the clothes. And then surprisingly, he asked, "So early?" She said she get up 4 days of a week and do laundry. His mom explained that she woke up at 4 o'clock every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday to wash the clothes. She also explained that it was necessary to keep us in clean clothes. Then he asked again, "That's up to? It means Dad also wake up early in the morning?" She said that his father has some paperwork. So when I do laundry, your father does his paperwork because it is the only time that the house is quiet enough to concentrate. He asked again, "Now tell me, why were you singing?" She said she was enjoying the work. She was not being upset. Mom still used an old wringer washer. Old wringer washer means washing machine. But she was absolutely thrilled that she and Dad had scrapped together. Scrapped together means saved a little at a time. Enough money to get a clothes dryer. She wouldn't have to hang clothes outside during winter anymore. The old wringer washing machine was very old-fashioned dryer, not like the modern ones that we have today. And the lint filter had to be cleaned after every load. Children, do you know what is the meaning of lint filter? Lint filter is a part in a washing machine that collects loose threads and cloth fibers. After that, he asked again to his mother, "Can I help you?" His mother said, "Sure, why not?" Now, after that, Mom started another load in the dryer and placed a large towel on the basement floor in front the dryer. And she said, "Why don't you lie down and catch a nap until we are ready for another load?" He slept until the dryer burst. When he was sleeping, the warm and comfortable air came from the dryer. And he was very thrilled because his mother taught him how to clean the lint filter and to place the dry clothes on a folding table. His mother made him feel very useful, and he has remembered the compliment. What she said to him? She said, "Well done, my child." He saw that his elder sisters also woke at 6 o'clock. Then they took their bath and then helped mom to carry the folded clothes upstairs. And that was a ritual that he hadn't noticed until that morning. What do you mean by ritual? Ritual means a thing that is done regularly in the same way. The next morning, he set the alarm for 4 o'clock. He hurried for bath and rushed to the basement to help mom. And his mother placed the towel on the floor. He slept until the dryer burst, then cleaned the lint filter and stacked the clothes on the table. He slept between loads while mom sang, folded clothes, and washed another load. And that was a routine he kept every wash day for several years. He looked back on those days with fond memories. He was remembering those days. His parents taught him and his siblings that work was not a hardship. Sometimes, when we are working, we catch ourselves singing a song. And I learned in that old basement and smiled. And it's amazing to me how seemingly insignificant moments create fond memories that last a life.